guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be 10 ways to save money, and I just want to get this filmed so it's not forever long. So I'm just going to go through this list as quick as I can. Okay, number one is don't buy things you don't need. And I know this is easier said than done sometimes, but because I'll go shopping for clothes and I'll have my list of what I need. I make sure I keep a list of everything that I need. Like right now I need a yellow workout top. So if I go into the store to actually shop for workout clothes, I know what I need. So I won't go in there and go, okay, well, I know I need a yellow top, but oh, they have this blue one and I need that, and when I don't need blue at all. So that's my main thing. I try not to buy things I do not need. This does not always work, but if I have my list with me, it usually does. Okay, number two, borrow instead of buy. And for me, this is a big one. I'm getting ready to, in a few weeks I'll be finding out if I get into paramedic school or not. And if I do, I know I'm going to have to buy the books, and the books are mega expensive. But I know a guy who just got out of paramedic school, so I'm hoping that if I get in, I can say, hey, can I borrow your books, or can I buy your books from you? And that way I'm not spending buku bucks on them, but I still have what I need. So if you can borrow instead of buy them, or buy stuff at a lower price, do that. See if you can do that first. That way you don't have to spend money. Okay, number three is find cheaper alternatives. Like I said, if I have to, I'll give them some money for the books, but I don't think I'll have to. But for stuff other than that, like I love to organize. So organization bins are one of my things that I collect, even though I probably won't use them. I've gotten better over the years. But I found the Dollar Tree, most of the time, their bins are just as good quality as Target or Walmart or anywhere else I'm going to go look for organization products. So find cheaper alternatives. If your Dollar Tree has some great ones, Walmart has some good ones, depending on what you're looking for. Like workout clothes. I love Kohl's workout clothes. I love the Fila's and the Tech Gears, but $40 for a pair of pants is ridiculous. But you can go to Walmart and get a pair of workout pants for between $10 and $20 sometimes. Sometimes even cheaper than that. Okay, number four is take care of what you buy. And this drove me insane. As a child, I was raised, if you have it, you take care of it. And you don't, like my cousin used to color on her dolls and then claim that if me and her had the same doll, like we both had a baby Annabelle. And if you remember those, totally let me know down below. But she got one and she colored on the face of it. And then one day I had mine over there she had hers and I had mine. And she was getting ready to pack up and leave. And she picked up my baby Annabelle doll and said, no, this is mine. I'm going home. And I looked at my grandma and said, she's taking my doll. And she goes, no, I don't. No, I didn't. I didn't color on my doll's face. I mean, yeah, you did, because I didn't. And finally got that got figured out when my mom said, Jamie wouldn't color on her stuff. And that pisses everybody off. But I was always raised, take care of what you buy. So That's a big one for me. If you're gonna have something and actually spend money on it, then take care of it. Because in the long run, if you don't take care of it, you're gonna have to be replacing it sooner than you wanted to. Okay. Number 5 is look for coupons or savings codes for everything. Groupon is really good at this. Retail Me Not sometimes. I try and find if I can find something for half off or 15% off or free shipping or anything. I'm one of those people. I'm looking for a code. And especially free shipping codes, because I hate paying shipping costs. Because everybody's shipping is getting outrageous. Okay, number 6 is grow your own food. And we've always done this. I live in Kentucky. Every summer we've always had a garden when I was growing up. So growing my own food is something that is not new to me at all. And I absolutely love it because I love to be able to go out in the summer and pick actually what I want to eat. Like, if you watch my channel, you know most of the stuff I cook is made with zucchini and tomatoes and bell peppers. So I grow those in abundance if I can, if they actually decide to grow that year. But if you can, grow your own food. It'll save you. Okay, so I've got to hurry this up because the camera just cut off. Okay. Do it yourself. Beauty products, cleaning products. Anything that is, like, why spend $7 on a cleaning product that you're not going to use for everything when you can do it at home for like maybe 50 cents. Like, vinegar and water will pretty much clean anything, and baking soda and vinegar and telling you. If you want me to do a video on DIY cleaning products, totally let me know down below in the comments and I totally will. Okay, number 8, know when to buy certain items. So, like, everybody who goes on, oh, it's December, I've got to buy all the Christmas paper. No. You do not buy Christmas decorations and Christmas wrapping paper in September. You buy that in January after it's all gone on sale. That way you're stockpiled for the next year. And like TVs, you buy TVs during Super Bowl. Okay, so, and I have a list of when to buy everything on my Pinterest. I'll link my Pinterest down below in the description box. Okay, number 9 is reuse or ditch disposable completely. And we don't use disposable as much unless we're having parties here, because it's too expensive to buy and then keep using. My grandpa uses paper plates for everything. That drives me insane, but he's crazy and wants to save water even though he has a cistern. And if you don't know what that is, it's a thing that collects water. It collects rainwater and lets you use it in the house instead of having to buy city water. It's scary how many people don't know that. So I was just going to answer that here instead of being asked, what's a cistern? So yeah, for me, I hate using disposable. So if you can reuse it, which honestly is not the best, you're not supposed to reuse it. But if you can, then do it. Or just get rid of it completely. Okay. Number 10 is plan your purchases. And I try to do this as much as I can, but this doesn't always work. Especially, I always try and plan my bigger purchases, but lately I've seen myself trying to plan my smaller ones too. Like, I try to make sure, okay, I know I'm going to have to buy this in this month, so I need to make sure I have this much money somewhere. That way I know when I need it, I can get to it. And if you plan your purchases, totally let me know down below, because it's sad how many people actually don't, and they should, because I couldn't imagine. Because I used to waste $500 a year just on purchases that I didn't plan for, when I could have had that money already saved up for them. Okay, so the thing's getting ready to die on me. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you've not done so already, hit the red subscribe button down below. If you have any more ways to save money, let me know, and I might do a video of just your ideas. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.